너무 이상하네. 뭐지 라이언한테는 오늘 2시라고만 했는데.
라인이라고 얘기했는데 우리는 갈게. 얘가 사촌 동생 보고 싶을걸? 끊어. You're late.
What?
You're always late. 죽겠어. Ryan? 어디 있어? Ryan?
What?
What did you do to my car?
What?
뭐? 뭐? My car won't start.
What'd you do? Who you calling? Dad coming?
Where were you?
I was out.
Out? Out buying this ridiculous shit?
Wait, Shima! It's for work!
You know what today is?
It's Sunday! You know I work on Sundays!
We are supposed to go to the church together.
Since when?
Kayong said she told you 2 weeks ago. 오늘 얘기해줬어.
Mom, she just told you today? Kayang don't want me to go?
Yes, she does.
No, she doesn't. It's for Koreans only.
You are Korean.
Kayang didn't think so. Plus, if Kayang wanted us to both go, why do you think she's waiting till today to tell you anything? Come on, yo. What?
Let's go.
Where?
We're going, whether they like it or not.
Why?
너는 내 아들이야.